Biconomy exchange token. BIT. The only exchange token with deflationary model. 6% tax goes for burning with every on-chain transaction. 32% from all BIT total supply already burned. 50% from Biconomy profits goes for buyback and burn BIT. BIT DAO. Use BIT and vote for all changes in the Biconomy. Biconomy NFT platform. BIT token can be used as means of settlement. Biconomy Launchpad, BIT used as payment method with discount for purchase. BIT holders have special trading commissions for spot and futures. BIT token will be applied for BIT Chain, BIT DEX and other potential Biconomy products. Join BIT token ecosystem now.